Good morning, friends. Welcome to online tutor for accounts and finance. So today we'll be discussing on IFRS 16, which deals with the lease accounting. So as per IFRS 16, in the books of lessee, we need to compute the present value of the lease liability, which is calculated on the basis of the lease rentals, which are paid by the lessee to the lessor, and by considering the discount factor. Now, this particular discount factor will be computed on the basis of credit risk of the lessee. So, the first step is we need to compute the present value of the lease liability, and the second step we need to compute the right to use of asset. Now, this right to use of asset is nothing but the down payment or the advance which is paid by the lessee at the time of lease agreement plus the present value of lease liability. And the third one, you need to know what exactly we should charge in the statement of profit or loss account. Now, generally, the statement of profit or loss account will be charging depreciation, and this depreciation will be computed on a right to use of asset by considering either the life of asset or lease term, whichever is lower. Of course, there are certain exemptions, but generally you need to understand that the depreciation should be computed on this lease asset, either the lease term or the life of asset, whichever is lower. And we should also compute the finance liability on the present value of the lease. And the next thing, we need to divide this particular present value of the lease liability between the current liability and the non-current liability. So both current liability and the non-current liability will be showing it in the statement of financial position. So for a detailed understanding on this IFRS 16, so here we'll be having an IFRS course where we'll be discussing the major IFRS as well as accounting standards, and we'll discuss in a practical with a practical approach. So if anyone interested to learn about the IFRS standards, you can enroll for that particular online IFRS course. So I hope you like this particular video, and if you like, I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you.